I've had students contacting me about issues they're having with VirtualBox. Everybody seems to get it installed, but once they try to launch their virtual machine, they get an error message, very similar to this error message right down here. So this is typical error message, and as a matter of fact, I've seen this error message myself. So I've had the same issues that many students have had, and what I'm going to show you right now in this little video is a workaround for it. Basically, the newest version of VirtualBox is buggy and it has some issues, and it's causing problems for Windows users, it seems, not Mac. I haven't heard anything from Mac users anyway. So how do we get around this? Well, first thing you'll do is go to virtualbox.org to the main page. From there, you'll click on the Downloads link. Now here is the latest version. This is the one we don't want to install, right? We're having problems with this. You can skip all of this, and what I want you to do is scroll down to where it says VirtualBox Older Builds. Click on that link right there. From here, you're going to click on the link for VirtualBox 4.3. This is the latest build, but it's not the latest version of the build itself. So we'll click on this. And what I've installed that has not had any issues, and I've heard this from other students also, is originally I installed the 4.38, but the student told me he had no problems with 4.312, and that's the one I've installed, and it's been working fine. So you'll click on the link. If you're a Windows user, you'll click right here. You'll download the VirtualBox installer. Once again, I haven't heard anything from Mac users, so I'm assuming everything is okay with them. Then you'll click on this link down here for the extension pack. So you need the extension pack for 4.3.12 and the installer for 4.3.12. Okay, I've already downloaded both of those. Here they are. So what we'll do is first, of course, we'll open up the folder. We'll go in here. Here is the down. Now here are the ones that this is actually this one 4.315 is not even available from that main page. This is supposedly trying to fix the problems that they're having, but it does not fix the problems that I can see. So what I suggest you do is this is the version that we've just downloaded. Right click it. Make sure you run it as administrator. Shouldn't be any issues. This is just a precaution here. Select yes. VirtualBox will go through the install, taking all the defaults. Once again, nothing fancy here. All right, once it's done installing, and this will take a minute, so I'll pause the video and then I'll come back. Alrighty, so VirtualBox is finished installing. Didn't take very long. I'm going to leave this selected to start VirtualBox. I'll select Finish. This will launch VirtualBox. Here it is right here. Next thing I want to do before I launch anything is I want to get the correct extension pack. You notice I have a couple here, right? We want the right one. 4.3.12. I'll double click on that. That will go through the installation process for the extension pack. If I can find my icon here. There it goes. Alrighty, so here is the install of the extension pack. I'll click on that, accept the license agreement, say yes. It'll go through, complete the installation, installed correctly. Let's bring this back out. So here it is. Ready? 4.312. That's the one we want, and that seems to be solving our problem. So here is our version of the virtual machine that we have for the class, one of the classes. You may be in the other class, the 250 class, 1132. This is the 1032, this is the 1132. I'll start up this one here. And this is what we expect to see. No error messages, system booting up properly. So it'll take a minute to boot up, and then we'll just verify that it's up and it's working. Alrighty, so up, working, everything is working fine. I think if you follow this and use the older version, 4.312, you shouldn't have any issues at all. Please contact me if you do. Thank you.